Okay.
Right. Welcome to Psychology 213, which is called
Approaches
to Psychological Theories of the Person. It's a very long, unwieldy name, but it's basically a module in different theories that psychology uses to talk about personhood, what it is to be a person, how we develop as people, and so on. Right, so I am Desmond. This is
Kopano. I am Kopano. Desmond taught this for years. How many years?
Yes, I've taught this since I think maybe about 8 or 9 years actually.
This is my first year of teaching this, so this is going to be great.
Yes, so we'll be teaching the module together this year. It's a 6-week module, and we're going to literally teach the first week together and the last week
together. And so all the stuff that you've heard about Freud, about identity crisis and confusion, that's Erickson, and all kinds of personality theories we're covering in the 6 weeks.
Yeah. So first week we will teach together. It will be an overview of the module basically and psychology's approach to personhood, and then we will have alternating weeks. I will teach week 2, Kopano will teach week 3, I will teach week 4, he'll get back to week 5, and then together we will wrap things up, looking at some critical theories in week 6.
And basically wrap up the course, right?
Yeah, wrap up the course, yeah.
And if you didn't know, this is the 5th edition of the book by Moore, Feljun, and Mayer. It's been used for years, and this is the tattered copy that I am welcome into the course with. So you need to get yourself one of these
You'll
books.
be able to get these books new in the big bookshops, but there's also a substantial sort of second-hand market for these books because it's been used for about 6, 7, 8 years. It's still complicated to tell you how we're going to meet because psychology classes are extremely big, and we're not sure yet how the COVID regulations will work. So for the first week at least, we will start off doing an online seminar. That will be Monday in your first lecture period, which I think it's
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock on Monday morning.
So we hope you all log on and we meet each other, and then we'll repeat some of the stuff we just said here, just outline the course, but also get immediately into the content.
Yeah. So you will get an email. I will post this on SunLearn. You'll get an email with the MS Teams link, and you can click on that and you can literally join the live session. We will also record those sessions and upload them to SunLearn. So even if you miss it, you can watch the discussion later. And then maybe by Monday or Tuesday we will know exactly how it will be possible to meet you in class, in person. There will be opportunities to meet in class.
We hope. Yeah. We're really looking forward to in-person classes.
Yes.
It might be a little complicated, right? About maybe at least at a minimum that we meet once a week. If everyone has to have a chance to meet us. I know we're all pretty and like Korean boys, but besides that, we just want to meet you, really.
Yeah. But we are looking forward to this module. One of the things that, at least in the years that I've done it, students normally find it, it's a space where we can think a little bit about how psychology thinks about us, I guess. Different kinds of ways in which psychology has conceptualized being a person. That sounds like an obvious thing, being a person, but it's not that obvious. The different cultural, religious, philosophical, and also psychological traditions of thought about this issue. And of course, none of this has to be accepted. It's also interesting to see to what extent Freud and Rogers and Maslow and Erickson and so on still, in fact, speak to our experiences and our times, the kind of cultural and political context we find ourselves in. So it's also an opportunity to talk back to psychology and to perhaps come up with new ways of thinking about our own person.
What I like most about this, besides just the fact of going back and personally, right? I've been rereading Freud quite a bit for something else, and Rogers and Maslow and Jung. Okay, I have a problem with Jung, but we're going to teach Jung. and Viktor Frankl and everybody, is Desmond and I will be interacting, talking about this. But in contemporary parlance, this is one of the courses that's relatable, basically, because all of us have theories about what makes people, what makes humans human. So you all have your own theories about what makes people tick, or what makes one person different from another. So that is as interesting as anything that we'll be talking about.
Yes, so thank you for watching.
And see you Monday, 11 o'clock.
Yes, great.
Hope you have fun in the course. Till then.
Thank you.
Cool.